Right guys, Rufford part 3, round 3, third and final round. Bit hot yet, sun's, you can see the reflection, the sun's still out. Hopefully once it cools down, once it drops behind that tree there, and then once it does that, it should. They were here the other night, we seen him fishing. There was a guy fishing, a matchman, he did about 40 fish, only little ones, only little tiny roach, rudd, couple of skimmers, small skimmers, but brother's down today, brother's just got on the chippy. Get me a nice chip bam, chip bap, chip batch, chip butty, whatever you call them. The never ending debate. Yeah, so we're just in over there. I forgot me feckin' worms and I idiot. Just in over there somewhere. Yeah. So I forgot me feckin' worms, so I'm on the corn, maggots, bread. Prawns, yeah, I got some prawns. Supposed to be good for the back. Supposed to be good for the tench. My brother's just had a perch on them as well. In fact, I'll put that'll be the first video you see. I'll put that video up. Yeah. So yeah, let's have it. Brother's down today. He's had a nice perch there. Has he just come off? Aye, round 3. Rufford. So I've just had a bite on this one. Brother had the perch before, come off. He's just come flying back in. Fucking hell, bro, it's cash only in the chippy. I thought, do you know what, big ups cash only, but it's trying to do with the cashless society, aren't they? Keep using cash, guys. So I'll just give them 20 quid. Mad, mad. Here's one for you guys. Crows attacking the buzzards, look at that. Big bird, that, isn't it? Where are you? Big buzzard, isn't it? Whoosh. Crows smashed it with the biggest perch of the day. Nice perch that, bro. Well done. Brother's just got off. Big up, bro, nice one. She's gone 8. I'm going to carry on fishing. It's not been too... Well, Carl smashed it today with that perch and he's had a load of rod. He's been using my rod, so... Then he put his rod out, so we had 2 rods, but... Yeah, going to get back on it. Oh, I missed last night, it's Saturday now. Missed Friday because I had to take matey to... he's going into the Navy, so we went out for a drink and a meal last night. Let's get this on. Let's get going. Same setup again, guys. This is the first video. Yeah. Idiot forgot his fucking maggots, didn't he? Left them by the bin. Been a hot one today again, the clouds have just moved in. Alright, so we're on the triple reds, trying 3 reds. Pike jumped over there before, just what you can see just over there. It was a big pike, well, about 4 or 5 pounds. Chased the rud, chasing the rud off the top. Going for triple reds. What was it? I don't mind that because at least you get to wet your line, so the next cast, hopefully, your line sinks. It's not too far, I need to get a bit further out. Just a bit deeper than what I am there. A bit shallow, sorry. That's where we want it, just there. Bang on near the edge. So that rubbish stones in a minute. Yeah, we're getting loads of little rudd all day. I think I'll get the best one with a perch. Nice perch. Flow again. Someone's opened the lock. Damn. To believe that. Just lost me float. Nice bream top in there. Just lost me float. I've got half an hour left. Stuck on one of them bloody rushes there. Snapped. So come on the tip just for a minute. Just got a lead on. I'm just going to go off the tip. Put it right down there. Probably just there, just above that spike there. Just next to me float. Lose one, that means I buy two. Put floats them as well. Preston Jora wagglers. I think I've got one here. Got one left, I've got a yellow one as well, that's in there. Right, Preston Jora wagglers. So that one's out there. Anyone's got a kayak or got a boat, got a free float. Yes, I'm just on the tip. I've got half an hour, under half an hour left. But no sign of the tents tonight, no bubbles. So how's that crow there? Ha ha! So yeah, hopefully a bonus video guys, if not, I'll be doing a few more fishing adventures soon, no doubt. Yeah. A bit gutting that, innit, when you lose your float. It's not cheap tackle as well, they're about £4 them floats. Oh yeah. So I just hit the lead. Sorry to repeat myself, but what a bum. And the worms were the one last night. Well, Thursday night. Thanks for watching my videos guys, cheers. Big love. So then, no bonus video. Absolutely jack. Had a couple of bites on the lead, that was it. I think my brother did the best today. He did good. Back for the bus now anyway. Got a festival tomorrow, so more videos to come on that. Oh, hard work innit guys, you know, you fishing guys out there, you know what it's like when you put all that effort, all the time into it, all that pre-baiting. It's hard work when you don't catch. Well, you don't get your target species, but if we want to try there next time, you see on that back shelf. Some peg there, man. That's where the tents like to be. They've only just popped up then, over the past 2 days. Oh yeah, Bridge 11, Rufford. Thanks for watching guys, Bush and Duke. I shall see you soon. See you in a bit, canal. See you in a bit, Dougie. See you in June, Dougie. Get some good videos on that as well. Cheers guys.